I was not planning to buy this model. Already have the green version and we can't have it all, right? But this car has something that I said to myself, this is definitely a must-have for you. Tarmac did this specially for you. Let's find out what it is. I accidentally ordered two. We're going to open them both. Might be a chase, you never know. Chances are 0. I ordered them on Aliexpress. They were already sold out in the hobby store where I normally order my Tarmac cars, Tom's model car. Okay, here we got the barcode article number. We can see Tarmac is active on social media. 164 scale, Opel Kadett GSI in silver. So here it is, and the reason I bought it, and the reason I think Tarmac did this specially for me. It has a Dutch license plate. Huh, how cool is that? Opel Kadett 88. Thank you very much, Tarmac, for putting a German license plate on it. I appreciate that. Yeah, also in the front. When it comes with a license plate, it is much better. So they're probably watching my videos. You wish, my friend. Good interior also. Let's see it from the other side. Yeah, perfect. Also in the back, love it. Okay, now let's check the other one. Might be Chase. But I can tell you, if you order a Tarmac from Aliexpress, it's never going to be a Chase. If I order at Tom's Model Cars, then there is a chance you get a Chase. But the people on Aliexpress, I think they know that there is a Chase in the box. Here, see, this is no Chase. But I don't mind having two of these models because they are really, really cool. Love it. Yeah, this one has the German license plate. They could have done a German license plate on this one also, but they choose for another license plate. And this car, back in the days, was very common here in the Netherlands. So thank you very much, Tarmac. Love it. Also, the silver exhaust. So cool. Is there a downside? Well, there is no metal base. And this car deserves a metal base, in my opinion. Yeah, definitely. Give it some more weight. Give it some more quality. The rest is so cool. So why not a metal base? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. And have a nice day. Bye.